In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate call waiting. Having your call waiting enabled is essential when you are already on the phone making a phone call. And if you have the call waiting activated, it will let you know while busy on the phone that another call is coming your way. In this video, I'm going to provide you with two different methods on how to activate call waiting on your phone. Make sure to stay to the end of this video to see the entire steps. The first method, I'm going to use a USSD code. On your phone, navigate to the phone dialer and type *## and hit send. As you can see, a prompt that indicates call waiting service was enabled. So this feature allows you to take another call when you are already on the phone. It is like having two lines on one phone. In order for us to deactivate this feature, all we have to do is to dial ## and hit send again, but the call waiting service has been disabled. So in the event the first one didn't work for you, all we have to do is to navigate to the dialer and locate the settings. In my case, I will navigate to the top right corner and click on these three dots. Then I'll proceed to click on settings. On this interface, I will scroll down and locate supplementary services. Allow it a moment for it to download. So you have a list of options here where you can show caller ID, call forwarding, call barring, and call waiting. Since we're interested in activating our call waiting, all we have to do is to toggle this on. Now call waiting has been toggled on. As you can see, you will hear a sound if you get a call when you are already on the phone. And it's very crucial for you if you don't want to miss any call on your phone. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.